Hi everyone, Johnny here. I just want to plant a seed of hope in your heart, bring some encouragement to you in the name of Jesus. Here in Matthew chapter 8, we see a very interesting story unfold when the leper approaches Jesus. Verse 2, it says, "And behold, a leper came and worshipped him, saying, 'Lord, if you are willing, you can make me clean.' Then Jesus put out his hand and touched him, saying, 'I am willing. Be cleansed.' Immediately his leprosy was cleansed." A couple of things I want to draw out of these two scriptures here. The leper didn't fully understand the goodness of God. He did not understand the compassion and willingness of Jesus to bring salvation, healing, restoration, and deliverance for those who would just simply ask, believe, and receive. This man had leprosy. Those who would touch him would become unclean. He had to go around, hand over his mouth, saying, "Unclean, unclean." But yet he boldly approached Jesus and asked, "Hey, I know if you would be willing, you can make me clean." And Jesus says, "I am willing," and does the unthinkable. He reaches out and touches him. Friend, there is no situation in your life that's too dirty, too far gone, too broken, that's beyond the reach of Jesus. He is willing to reach into your life, to touch your life, and to bring healing, restoration, deliverance, refreshing. He is Lord and He loves you. God bless you.